Tonon Shelving is one of Southern Hospitality's exclusive products, one of the topmost quality and sourced from Italy. Tonon Shelving is superior to other shelving systems in numerous ways.
All units are flat packed for economical freight costs to our customers, as well as a special cash and carry unit in which all parts are contained within the one box. Tonon shelves are easy to assemble, requiring no additional tools except for a mallet. There is a special corner assembly so that no spare legs get in the way of loading and unloading.
Once assembled, the shelves can be placed in temperatures as low as -30 degrees and can handle temperatures as high as 90 degrees.
The slats can be moved and adjusted easily, adding additional shelving to existing shelving where required. This is a huge advantage for customising or expanding. As well as this, each shelf has a load capacity of up to 250 kilograms. In terms of cleaning, the slats are easy to remove and clean in the dishwasher individually, so you don't have to dismantle the whole shelf.
They are made from anodised aluminium, high-density polyethylene and food-safe materials. The units are environmentally safe, do not rust and are suitable for damp and corrosive environments. They are stocked here at Southern Hospitality showrooms in a variety of sizes, 1.7 metres high, with 4 standard lengths and 3 depths. However, Southern Hospitality are also able to source the shelves in any length and width, meaning we can tailor to the individual needs of each customer.
Essentially, the main benefits of Tonon shelving is its ability to be customised, its durability in a variety of environments and its minimal freight costs.